Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video, we have the 68th flyover of the Nikola site in Coolidge, Arizona. Parking lot was pretty full today and we did see a number of workers outside, but most are inside. Today's expected high temperature is 104 and we had clouds today. I don't know where they came from, but they're already gone. And that 104 temperature, that's what we call a cooling trend here in the desert. So yeah, it's cooling off down to 104. Temp when we flew was about 90 degrees. In our flyover today, we can see the light poles around the roadways are just about complete. The power is on, but we are not sure of the AC and whether or not it's running because there are a lot of openings still to fill. There are still workers from Southwest Gas working on the pipeline. You'll see in the video a pipe that is laid out by the railroad tracks. They're going to dig underneath that railroad track with their super cool digging machines and stick that pipe through there, and the trains won't even notice when they're doing it. After that gets done, they'll be able to connect that long pipe and then they'll have gas. We can see more white panels are being put into the open areas, and I now believe that these are permanent. There is some grading work being done next to the battery building to continue working on the pavement or the asphalt, whichever they're going to put right there. With everything being close to being sealed up, we should see an announcement from Nikola shortly when they take possession of the building. We are looking forward to that, and we think that's coming real soon. I'm thinking that a lot of the assembly equipment that we see on the outside will be installed by the Nikola employees themselves. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button. Take a look at our link to our Patreon account down below in the description. If you'd like to help support this channel, we would appreciate you even more. And we do appreciate the patrons that do support us. I'd like to give a special shout out to Callie, our newest patron. Thanks for joining. We appreciate your support. Thank you very much. Now, let's go fly.